Hi everyone, welcome to SGR Online Learning Center. In this video, we can discuss about the sacrificing ratio in admission of partners. Usually, a new partner is admitted into the partnership firm when a firm faces the shortage of funds or the partners are incapable to run the business in a right way. These are all these few situations in which a new partner can be admitted into the partnership firm. At the time of admitting a new partner, certain procedures are to be followed. Let's see the procedures one by one. First thing is, it is necessary to get the consent of all the existing partners. After getting consent from all the existing partners, only then a new partner can be admitted into the firm. Second thing is, once a new partner is admitted into the firm, the life of the old agreement comes to an end and a new agreement should be formed. Now let's see what are the rights of a new partner. A newly admitted partner has two rights. One is right to take up the share in asset and another one is right to take up the share in profit. In order to take over these rights, he is required to bring certain amount when he is admitted in a partnership firm. So, the amount which he brings to the partnership firm is divided into two parts. One is for asset and another one is for profit. The amount which he brings for asset is termed as capital and the amount which he brings for profit is termed as goodwill. Next one is sacrificing ratio. Whenever a new partner is admitted in a partnership firm, old partners have to surrender some of their old shares in favor of a new partner. The surrender of these shares by the old partners are made in certain ratio. This is what called as sacrificing ratio. Why it is termed as sacrificing ratio? Because old partners are surrendering their part of their shares in favor of a new partner. That's why this is called a sacrificing ratio. Now let's see how the sacrificing ratio can be found out. Already in the procedures we have seen when a new partner is admitted, old agreement comes to an end and a new agreement should be framed. So the sacrificing ratio is calculated by subtracting the new ratio from the old ratio. This is what the formula for calculating sacrificing ratio. Next one is new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is calculated by applying this formula. New profit sharing ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Now let's see how to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. I will explain the calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio in three aspects. First one, when old partner sacrificing ratio is not given. Second one, sacrificing ratio of old partners are equal. Third one, sacrificing ratio of old partners are not equal. Let me explain the first method now. When old partner sacrificing ratio is not given. Let's see the sum now. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. This is what their old ratio. They admitted C as a new partner. He will take up 1/5 share of profit in future. With this information, we are required to calculate new ratio as well as sacrificing ratio. See here, whenever old partner sacrificing ratio is not given in the question, we assume that the old ratio remains as the sacrificing ratio. Okay. In this question also, the sacrificing ratio of old partners are not given. So, the old profit sharing ratio remains as the sacrificing ratio. Okay. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Whenever a new partner is admitted into the firm, it is necessary to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners, including the existing partners. Okay. In the question, C is admitted as a new partner and he will take up 1/5 share of profit. But no information is given regarding the future profit. So we don't know what is the exact profit of future. So the total profit of the firm is assumed as 1. Out of this 1/5 share is given to C. Clear? Because C is admitted as a new partner and he will take up 1/5 profit in future. The future profit is considered as 1, out of which 1/5 goes to C. Okay. Now it is necessary to calculate the remaining share of profit, because the remaining part will be divided among the old partners based on their profit sharing ratio. Okay. The total profit is how much? 1, out of which 1/5 is given to new partner C. The remaining part is how much? 4 divided by 5. This 4/5 share of profit is divided among the existing partners based on their profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now let's calculate the new profit sharing ratio of each partners. First, A's new profit sharing ratio equal to his old ratio how much? 3. That is 3 is to 2, that is 5. Okay, 3 divided by 5 into the remaining part of profit is 4 divided by 5. Therefore, his new profit sharing ratio is 12 divided by 25. Okay. In similar way, we calculate the B's new share also. B's profit sharing ratio is how much? 2. That is 2 divided by 5 into the remaining part of profit is 4 divided by 5 equal to 8 divided by 25. That is 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 5, 25. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of C. That is the new partner. See here, out of this 25, 12 belongs to A and 8 belongs to B. So C also has a right to take up this part only. So in order to make his level 25, we have to multiply his share of profit into 5 divided by 5. Only then we will get 25. That is the denominator. Okay. So 1 divided by 5, that is his part of share, into 5 divided by 5 equal to 5 divided by 25. Now the total part of all the partners are 12 plus 8 plus 5. That is total of 25. Therefore, the new ratio becomes 12 is to 8 is to 5. Already I told you, whenever old partner sacrificing ratio is not given, it is assumed that the old ratio remains as the sacrificing ratio. In this case, the old ratio is how much? 3 is to 2. So, the sacrificing ratio of A and B also 3 is to 2 only. Just we can verify it now. Usually sacrificing ratio is calculated only for existing partners, that is old partners. Here the old partners are A and B. What is the formula for sacrificing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. Now we can calculate the sacrificing ratio. A's old ratio is how much? 3 divided by 5. That is 3 divided by 5. And his new ratio is 12 divided by 25. Therefore, 3 divided by 5 minus 12 divided by 25. In order to make this denominator as 25, we can multiply this number by 5. That is 3 into 5, 15, and 5 into 5, 25. Minus 12 divided by 25 equal to 15 minus 12 divided by 25. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio of A is 3 divided by 25. In similar way, we have to calculate the B's sacrificing ratio also. His old ratio is 2 divided by 5. That is 2 divided by 5, and his new ratio is 8 divided by 25. In order to make this denominator as 25, we can multiply this number by 5. Therefore, 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 5, 25 minus 8 divided by 25 equal to 10. 10 minus 8 divided by 25. Therefore, the B sacrificing ratio is 2 divided by 25. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio of A and B is 3:2. Now, we can see the old ratio remains as the sacrificing ratio. Now, let's see the second aspect, that is sacrificing ratio of all the partners are equal. Let's see the question now. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted as a new partner and he will take up 1/5 share of profit which he has taken up from A and B equally. With this information, we are required to calculate new ratio as well as sacrificing ratio. See here, a new partner's 1/5 share is taken up from A and B equally. That means the old partners A and B are going to surrender the equal portion of their share in favor of a new partner C. Clear? That is 50%, 50%. Now we can calculate the sacrificing ratio of old partners. First one, sacrificing share of profit to C by A equal to 1 divided by 5 into 1 divided by 2. That is, C is going to take up 1/5 share of profit which he has taken up equally from each partner. That's why here we have taken 1/2, that is 50%. Okay, in such a case, A's sacrificing ratio is 1 divided by 10. In similar way, here we have calculated B's sacrificing ratio also. B's sacrificing ratio is 1 divided by 5 into 1 divided by 2 equal to 1 divided by 10. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners, including a new partner C. In this question, we have found out the sacrificing ratio and the old ratio of old partners also given here. In such a case, new profit sharing ratio of old partners are calculated by applying this formula, that is old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Therefore, A's new profit sharing ratio equal to his old ratio how much? 3 divided by 5 minus his sacrificing ratio is 1 divided by 10. Here you can see the denominators are not a even number. Therefore, in order to make this denominator 10, we can multiply this number into 2. In such a case, 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10. Therefore, 6 minus 1 divided by 10 equal to 5 divided by 10. Therefore, a new profit sharing ratio of A is 5 divided by 10. Now, we can calculate the new ratio for B. B equal to his old ratio how much? 2 divided by 5 minus sacrificing ratio is 1 divided by 10. In order to make his denominator as 10, we can multiply this number into 2. In such a case, 2 into 2, 4, 5 into 2, 10. Therefore, 4 minus 1 divided by 10 equal to 3 divided by 10. Now, we have to calculate the new ratio of C. What is the new ratio of C? C is going to take up the ratio which is given up by A and B. What is the sacrificing ratio given up by A and B? 1 divided by 10. Therefore, C's new ratio is 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 10 equal to 2 divided by 10. In such a case, new profit sharing ratio of all the three partners are 5:3:2. Clear? Now let's see the third method, when sacrificing ratio of all the partners are not equal. Let me explain the sum now. Timmy and Jijo are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. Jeffy was admitted as a new partner and she will take up 1/8 share of profit in future. That she will get it from 1 divided by 32 shares from Timmy and 3 divided by 32 shares from Jijo. With this information, we are required to calculate the new profit sharing ratio as well as sacrificing ratio. See here, even in this question, we are required to calculate the sacrificing ratio. There is no necessity of calculating the sacrificing ratio separately, because in the question it is given here very clearly that Timmy's part of sacrificing is 1 divided by 32 and Jijo's part of sacrificing is 3 divided by 32. This is what their sacrificing ratio. So there is no requirement for calculating the sacrificing ratio separately. Clear? Now we start to do the sum. Here I have given the old profit sharing ratio as well as sacrificing ratio in tabular column. Timmy's old ratio is how much? Their profit sharing ratio is 3:1. Therefore 3 divided by 4, and Jijo's profit sharing ratio is 1 divided by 4. The sacrificing ratio is 1 divided by 32 and 3 divided by 32 respectively. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. Already I told you, whenever the old ratio as well as the sacrificing ratio is given in the question, by applying this formula only we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of old partners. Okay. Timmy's old ratio is how much? That is 3:1. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Therefore, Timmy's old ratio is 3 divided by 4 minus his sacrificing ratio is 1 divided by 32. In order to make this denominator as 32, we have to multiply this number by 8. Therefore, 3 into 8, 24 divided by 4 into 8, 32. Therefore, 24 minus 1 divided by 32 equal to 23 divided by 32. This is what the new profit sharing ratio of Timmy. In similar way, we have calculated the Jijo's new profit sharing ratio also. Jijo's old profit sharing ratio is 1 divided by 4 minus his sacrificing ratio is 3 divided by 32. This number is multiplied by 8, that is 8 divided by 8. In such a case, 8 divided by 32 minus 3 divided by 32, Jijo's new profit sharing ratio is 5 divided by 32. Now we need to calculate Jeffy's profit sharing ratio. She is a new partner. She will take up 1/8 share of profit in future. Here also we have to make this level as 32. This number is multiplied by 4. Therefore, her new profit sharing ratio is 4 divided by 32. Therefore, the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners are 23:5:4. Already I told you there is no necessity of calculating the sacrificing ratio separately. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio of older partners, that is Timmy and Jijo, is 1:3.